Here we are going to talk about Google Classroom and more how to organize your classwork section. First, I am using the Snap camera filter, so if you are interested in using something like this, you can go look at that how-to video. I've recorded enough that I'm just whatever with the recording, but this it can add some fun or make it a little less awkward to be recording yourself. So anyways, back to Google Classroom. So once you are in here with your Google Classroom, if you go to classwork, this is a much more concise and organized way to have your kids look at all of your information. A lot of them will try to go to the stream, which I just think is a hot mess. Your stream posts everything as you post it. With classwork, you can create what are called topics, and then in those topics, you can click and drag things around. So, for example, when I did my micro business assignment, I would start with lesson 1, lesson 2, and so the kids would have their lesson, like the assignment, but then underneath it, they would have the material for all the things to do that lesson, if that makes sense. So I organized things so that it was all sequential for the kids. I don't know about you, but I will post something and then I'll mess up and I'll have to repost it. And if you don't have it in, it just messes up the order. So you can click and drag to make it a more simple layout for your students. And it really helps to have the topics for that. So what you're going to do is go up to the create button, just like when you create an assignment, and you're going to create a topic. Let's say you have a specific unit in math, or just do it week by week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a weekly post now. So I'm going to go to create and go to topic, and then my next one is going to be April 6th, so I'm going to do 4.6 through the 10th. So this is going to be my next topic for the kids. So I will add that. And now on your classwork, it has your weeks. So next week and the week after. At this point, you can choose how they show up. So if I want next week to be at the top, I just click and drag it, and then it will go in order from the top down. That's really preference and what you think the kids would work best for the kids. So now anything that I'm going to assign for next week is going to be underneath this topic. So let's say I go in and create an assignment. So test assignment, I'm not going to add anything else. No, I'm just not going to add anything else. So I'm going to assign this. And when I don't put it in a topic, it just throws it up at the top. So I'm going to go in and edit it and come over here to the side and choose the topic. So if I do topic and then 3:30, because I want it next, I'll hit save. And then that test assignment will be in that section. I strongly suggest creating your topics and then organizing all of your stuff in a way that would make sense to you and your students, so they are not just scrolling through tons of different assignments. How that looks is there's tons of different ways that you can organize it, but that's what topics are, how to organize them, and where to guide kids to go to that classwork instead of stream. So again, if you need any help in person, just let me know and we'll meet up a time to look at it.